Sophia Marie, and today I have a special guest named
Maria Golden.
Make sure to go follow her channel called Maria Golden. And today we're going to be doing the
slime switch up challenge.
Yeah, I know this is an old trend, but we're doing the slime boxes.
And also we're kind of remaking an old video of us on Sophia's beanstalk.
No, on your channel.
I know. I'm recreating that video. Though.
Yeah, but it was on your channel.
Oh yeah, on my channel.
Totally.
So let's get started.
Okay, he's coming down.
And also we also switch boxes. Why did we?
Okay. Okay, here is
The box.
our boxes. So so I peek first or you peek first?
Me, since I got the boxes.
Yeah. Okay, so you can peek. Off and away.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch.
Okay. Yes.
What? Wait, yay! I got the good slime.
I actually like that slime. I was trying. Wait, I got the good slime too. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Wait.
Yeah, you got the bad slime.
Yeah.
I got the good slime.
So this slime is actually really hard and it's not sticky at all.
I only just made it yesterday though.
I know. Yeah, this slime.
On to the next slime.
And now we're back with the boxes. And now I'm gonna close my eyes and she's gonna peek. You can peek from either one of the boxes, but only one.
Oh, you can look now.
Okay.
1 point for me. Because of that good slime I had.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep.
Yes! I got a good slime.
I got a bad slime. You just never know, like, when someone's... Well, actually, it's not really that bad. It's just not that good, though. So.
Yeah. This sounds like my favorite slime.
My favorite slime is, like, really big.
Yeah, that's probably one of them.
So...
I hope I get that one.
Yeah, I hope I get it, too. So, let's go get the next slime.
Okay, she's coming back now. And we have the next ones.
Okay. So, now close your eyes, turn around.
You didn't turn around.
I'll turn around for the next round.
Okay.
Okay, go.
I think I'm gonna keep it.
Dang it. Yes, I mean.
Yes! I'm having good luck.
I'm having bad luck.
You had good luck last time.
Ew. This is gross.
I know.
Guys, this is like,
She got
looks like
the worst.
puke and poop at the same time.
Well, they're technically the same thing, right?
It looks like diarrhea.
Ew! And I got the good slime.
Guys, this is disgusting.
Yay! And then I get a peek next time. Moving on to the next round.
Okay, so we're back with the boxes. And also remember that none of us know what it looks like.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to close my eyes and turn around. And Sophia is peeking. I'm the ghetto. I'm the ghetto.
Okay. You can turn around now.
Oh, that's good. I'm going to switch.
Yes!
I hate you.
You have such bad luck.
I know.
Well, at least today. Yesterday you had
Yeah,
good
I'm not
luck.
playing with this.
Yeah. Moving on to the next one. I'm winning with 4 points and she's winning with 0. Hopefully you win the next round.
Okay, so I'm back with the boxes, and now I'm going to be, yeah. I'm done.
I want to keep.
Yes! Yes!
Yes! Okay. No. Okay,
I love that slime still, but this is my fave.
4-1. I'm winning by 3.
Well, at least I got my
This is a
favorite.
bad slime.
This is amazing climb.
No. I'm so mad.
Yay! Yay, yay, yay. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on the ride.
Oh, I'm falling. See you guys in the next round.
So she's back with the boxes. And so now she's gonna take a peek and I'm gonna
Look
go
away.
away.
Okay. You can look now.
Oh, hi. Okay, so I'll keep.
Yay! Wait, what? Oh no, I got the bad one.
Yay!
2-1. I mean 2-4. I'm winning.
Yeah, but I'm catching up.
I think it's okay, but it's sticky.
Yeah, I like mine a lot.
Moving on to the next round.
Okay, she's bought boxes, and now you have to turn around and close your eyes. Done.
I'm gonna keep.
I don't know which one's good.
Yes! Yes!
Wait, I don't know which one's bad.
That one's bad.
Oh. Key.
Yay! 5-2.
Honestly, I think this one's good.
No. This is my favorite slime.
It is?
Which
I
one?
like this one because of the gold and blue.
Yeah, but it's sticky. It's the texture. So this one's good.
Actually, I like it. I like this texture.
Oh. It's sticky.
Not sticky enough. Who do you think won this round, though?
It's me, guys. Look at it.
I think it's me.
No.
Yes.
This is my favorite slime. And these are my slimes. So I know what's good and what's bad. And see how sticky that is?
This is not really that sticky. Well, either way, Sophia still won. Congratulations.
Uh-huh.
Thank you guys for watching.
Wait, we're done? Wait, there's no more slimes?
Yeah,
What?
there's none. Just thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below who do you think won the last round.
And also subscribe if you want more slime videos with friends. Anyways, let's get
Bye.
onto the video. Bye. I mean, in.